Ayan, ate, hello. Anong pangalan ni ate? Christine. Kakasa ka ba sa ating challenge? Kakasa. Okay, let's give it up to Christine from Barangay Dau.
But I know I'll think of you every step of the way. And
Palakpakan niyo naman si Christine. Christine, ang galing mo naman.
thank you po.
Ano ka talaga? Songilist ka talaga?
Sumasali po sa mga
Oh, kitang-kita naman. Diyos ko, gusto ko, no. Yung pagkanul-kanul mo po. Oh, ating ka mapapitik-pitik. Oh, ganyan-ganyan ang nepa. Anyway, Christine, sumasali ka talaga sa singing contest. Okay. Ang galing. I mean, na-mesmerize ako doon. Napahanga mo ako. Diyos ko, alam mo ba, nag-tumbling ako doon sa ano ko kanina? Sobrang ano. Okay, that is perfect, Christine. Okay, thank you so much for sharing your talent.
The winners!
We will announce the top 3 winners for tonight.
Of tonight's Mabalacan City Festival bound search for Karaoke
Karaoke.
and Karaoke Weir.
For our first lucky winner. Okay, partner. Ayan, grabe. Nahirapan tayo sa pagpili. But of course, we will be announcing the first lucky winner. The first lucky winner is from Barangay Dao. Let us call on Christine.
Christine! Ayan! Palakpakan naman natin si Christine!
Ayan, congratulations, Christine. Hello, ayan. Oo, siya yung ano, Dau.
Only Karaoke!
Ang ating lucky winners is sabihin or banggitin. You have to say the magic word.
And the magic word is
And the magic word is
go. Okay.
All right, to start with, of course, from Barangay Dau, we have in here, Christine. Please say the magic word.
Go, Christine! Tagin ka na dito! Ayan! Christine, you won! Tumatagintay na 400 pesos! Ayan! May 400 pesos ka na, Christine. Bawi na. Ang balita ko kanina, yung mga in-order niya, 500 lang. O, dinalan na ako. Bawi yun ng Christine, eh? Alright.
Congratulations, Christine.
Thank you so much, Christine.
Congratulations for all our lucky winners for tonight. But of course, partners, sa semifinals and grand finals, mas pabobongga.
Yes, partner, it will be improved. Okay, this is just for
The
the daily. Okay? Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman natin ang mga nanalo sa ating karaoke, karaoke, and karaoke queer. Ayan.
Totoo ka ng partner. Congratulations once again
Thank
to
you so much.
Christine.
Thank you so much, Christine.
See you next vlog!